Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. Just wanted to send out a trade alert, trade of the week. And usually I do this on Thursday, but sorry for getting this out late. Yesterday was my son's 18th birthday, and we had to go celebrate that. But anyway, let's go over what I've put out the last few weeks. The last 3 weeks, trade alerts. 2 were on Chipotle Mexican Grill, CMG, and last week was on Joy Global. GOYG. First off, let's just take a look at Joy. Well, first we'll look at Chipotle Mexican Grill. And my trading system went long Chipotle CMG right here. This buy signal came on May the 10th right here, and this came used the closing price at $269.85. And last week on the trading alerts, I said that watch out, this still had plenty of room to run, and would probably go to 290. Well, today it's made a new high at 293.99. So quite a nice run on this. And if you are long, I would start getting out of it. It's I think starting to kind of peak out a little bit, but anyway, it's been a great run. So let me show you the next stock that was selected last week. Let's see what's going on there. Last week I sent out an alert on Joy Global, JOYG, and my trading model went long this stock on the 19th of May right here, and it had a gap up, and on the alert last week I said wait, don't buy it until it gets a pullback to at least fill this gap. So it did pull back here on the 20th, and then on Monday we had this major sell-off based on a lot of problems in Europe with the EC, Euro Union, Greece problems and debt problems there, and then the dollar was spiking higher, so it really hit the commodity sector quite hard. But since then it's recovered nicely, and it's back to it's back to where the signal would have come to enter the trade. So keep a watch on this. The June the 2nd will be its earnings release, so I'll probably wait and see how that comes out. But anyway, this is still holding long. And the 100-day moving average also comes up here at 90.39. So if it gets through this level here, then it's going to have a nice pop up. But it's holding over the 200-day, and the system is still long this. So keep an eye on Joy Global. Now, there are actually 2 stocks that I want to put out there today that look very interesting, and both were stocks that my trading system gave buy signals for. So hold on one second, I'll pull those 2 up. And now this stock is BTU, and my trading model gave a buy signal on this on May 25th right here, and this was at 58.21, and it's had a nice move higher since then. And so from 58.21 it moved up today to a high of 62.59. This still has great upside potential for another move higher. You've had good trading volume. My model went long, excellent trading volume, and it's about to break above this down channel trend line that you can see that kind of comes in here. The thing that really looks interesting about this stock is the weekly chart. I would wait though and watch this 200-day moving average, see if you get a pullback here, and then reassess. But it's a good one to keep an eye on. So I wanted to throw that out, and I'll put up the weekly just to let you see what I'm talking about there. Now this is BTU. This is the weekly chart. So each bar is 1 week. This is an engulfing key reversal. This is the outside week. So here, this 1 week, this week, you had a lower low than the prior week, and you're having a higher high than the prior week. So this is a very powerful weekly key reversal bar. You can see some big volume here. So this is definitely a stock you want to watch and buy on pullbacks. So keep an eye on that. Now the next stock is that I'll show you quickly is Baidu, B-I-D-U. So here's Baidu, B-I-D-U. This is the daily chart. My trading model went long this today. I had a huge move up, You can see it broke this descending trend line here. The volume's been picking up, and like I said, my trading model went long today. I'd wait for a pullback. I hate chasing things, on these huge up days like this. So I'd let things kind of settle back and pull back, and then look to get into this if you're interested. But it's a good one to keep on your watch list. It's got some potential great upside movement to it. You can see here it's had a major correction to the downside. It's got some potential for at least getting up here to the 50% retracement back in here. So this is an excellent stock to watch. Keep it on your radar, and happy trading, and I will talk to you next week. Now, one other thing, we've got a long weekend, so we've had a lot of problems in Europe, so we'll see how things come in Tuesday. But barring any surprises coming out of Europe or Asia, these stocks should have a great move up. So have a great holiday, and I'll be speaking to you next week.